Hello students, we are discussing here regarding the cost with respect to their duty cycles. If we are looking after this particular diagram which is provided by a national laboratory, if 25% duty is there, if 100% duty is there. So it is depending on saving of energy if you are using 25% duty, if you are using 100% duty. There is a problem for several reasons. Inefficient electric motor waste electrical power, thereby increasing electrical demand, associated electricity cost required to the motor. When electricity is generated by oil or coal fed power plants, the burning of fossil fuels produces carbon footprint from the use of natural resources and the emission of greenhouse gases. Similarly, it increased the utility bills due to operating cost. Waste heat from inefficient motors increases maintenance and decrease the life of the motor. The electrical energy of a typical industry motors can be improved by reducing the electrical losses in the stator winding by increasing the cross-sectional area of the conductor, improving the winding technique and using materials with higher electrical conductivities. Reducing the electrical losses in the rotor coil or casting by using materials with higher electrical conductivities. Reducing magnetic losses by using better quality magnetic steel. Improving the aerodynamics of motor, reduce mechanical windage losses. Improving the bearing quality to reduce friction losses. Minimizing manufacturing tolerance. Other benefits of high efficiency motors are cooler operating temperature due to lower heat generation, resulting in a lower maintenance and a longer life. Improved tolerance to voltage variations and harmonics. This is the diagram which is between load and the efficiency. If you see the energy efficient series, it is shown by the green color, and the simple standard motor available in the market, it is shown by the blue color. So here the efficiency is better with respect to load. Extended manufacturer's warranties. Rebates and tax incentive in some regions from utilities and municipalities. Tools to evaluate efficiency and lifetime costs. To enhance the efficiency of the motor slide calculator, a free tool can help calculate approximate annual saving in choosing a National Electric Manufacturer Association NEMA premium electric motor or any level of efficiency versus a lower efficiency model. Older operating motors with low efficiency can also be evaluated for the replacement. Older cannot be rewound to exceed their cost of electrical design standard. The calculator available online. Which material should be used? Copper. Copper is the material which is used for energy efficient motors. Use of copper rather than aluminum is the question in your mind. So for that we are discussing here. Copper and aluminum both can be used in the stator and rotor coils, although copper coil are the standard as they are more flexible and they enhance motor electrical efficiencies due to their higher electrical conductivity. Lower coefficient of expansion for copper. Copper is 300% stronger than aluminum, thus has higher tensile strength. It also able to withstand high centrifugal force and the repeated hammering from current induced forces during each start. Copper can better withstand thermal cycling over the life of motor. So copper coil and copper die cast rotors can be replaced in the motor for better efficiency. Copper coils. Copper greater conductivity versus other materials enhance the electrical energy efficiency of the motor. One of the design parameters of premium motor, the reduction of heat losses due to electrical resistance of the conductor. To improve the electrical energy efficiency of induction type motors, one design consideration is to reduce load loss by increasing the cross section of the copper coils. Increasing mass of copper increases the electrical efficiency of the motor. This is the general diagram available with us for the energy efficient motor. A high efficiency motor has more copper in stator winding than its standard counterpart. For these reasons, early development in motors for efficiency was focused on reducing electrical losses by increasing weight of the stator winding. Because electrical losses account for more than half of the total energy loss of the motor, and stator loss account for around 2 by 3rd of the electrical losses. Copper die cast rotors we will discuss later.